Just like any muscle group, such as your quads or glutes, it's important to regularly exercise your core and pelvic floor. I have provided diastasis recti safe options. Watch your core and make sure you're not getting any coning or doming down your midline. Let's start by sitting in a comfortable cross-legged position. We can bend over to the side, really lengthening through your side body, even ballooning out for a deeper stretch. On an exhale, engage your obliques to come up, switching to the other side. Exhale, coming up. Let's take our hands to our ribs, and as we inhale, we're going to inhale in 360 degrees around, shoulders are relaxed. And then exhale, bringing your ribs down, knitting your core together. Good. Inhale, expanding through your ribs. Exhale, option to add a pelvic floor contraction, imagining a blueberry at the opening of your vagina, lifting it in and up as you knit together. Good. We can do that all together again. Knitting and lifting through your pelvic floor. Good. Let's make our way to all fours, and we're going to tie together our breath with our movements. We can extend opposite leg and arm up, and then on an exhale, bring elbow to knee again, really engaging, knitting in your core. Inhale, extend, exhale, inhale, expanding through your ribs. Continue with your breath. One more. Good. We can take that arm that is up and place it behind our ear, and we're going to bring that elbow down towards our wrist. If you have diastasis recti, you can also place your back leg on the ground. Exhale, elbow towards your wrist. Inhale, back up. Keeping your hips steady, not swaying back and forth. Last one. Good, extending that arm out again, and then we're gonna move our arm and leg diagonal, holding here, moving back to our 360 breath. One more breath here. Good, release down. Let's grab a quick sip of water. Good, we can set up on the other side. Exhale, lifting opposite leg and arm. Exhale, elbow to knee engage. Inhale, expanding through your ribs. Moving with resistance as if you're moving through water. Last one. Good, bringing that hand behind our ear, moving into our thoracic twist. Back knee can be down again if needed. Exhale. Inhale up. One more. Good, extending your arm and leg, moving them slightly diagonal. Focusing on your 360 breath. Exhale, really squeezing, tightening your core. Good, releasing down. Let's come to our knees. We can clasp your elbows or your hands, keeping your ribs pulled down. Let's open up through our chest. Exhale, engage your core to come up. Let's make our way down onto our backs. Bending your knees, bringing your heels in. Let's exhale and lift one leg. We can straighten it up. And you can place your hands on your core. Make sure it feels tight inside your bony hip protrusion here. Exhale. Release that leg down as far as feels safe. Make sure you're not getting any coning down your midline. Bringing it back up. Good. Big inhale. Exhale. Moving with your breath. If this is too much, you can also keep your leg bent and just tap your toe. Good, let's switch to the other side. Exhale, releasing your leg up. Big inhale. Exhale as you drop it down. Bent knee if you need. Last one. Good. If you have diastasis recti, you can keep your feet on the ground. Otherwise, you can lift your knees up. Also, option to keep your shoulders on the ground as you pulse, or for more advanced, lifting your shoulders up here. Breathing into your ribs, keep your core engaged. We're going to pulse our arms. For most advanced, you could also straighten your legs if that's safe for you. Amazing. Let's release down. We can stretch our fingers and toes. Big deep breath. Let's come up to a seating position. We can practice our elevator Kegels. If you're not practicing pelvic floor contractions, just focus on releasing your pelvic floor. So again, imagining that blueberry, we're gonna lift it up to floor 1, floor 2, and floor 3, squeezing, and then release down, 2, 1, ground floor. Good, relax fully at the bottom. We'll do that again. 1, 2, 3, releasing down, 2, 1, ground floor. If it's hard to feel the difference between the different levels, it will come with practice and strength. Let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, ground floor. Good. Let's take a big breath, relaxing. We can move into butterfly pose, fully relax through your pelvic floor. A strong pelvic floor is not a tight pelvic floor, so we want to focus on fully relaxing after. We can slightly tilt forward, taking some deep breaths. Good, coming to a cross-legged position. If you are struggling with lower abdominal bulging or leaking a little bit when you sneeze or jump, I will link to more information about my 30-day system for healing your core and pelvic floor. You did an amazing job today. I hope that your core and pelvic floor are feeling really strong. If you're following along with the postpartum challenge, you have completed day 6, and I will see you for the very last day tomorrow.